Today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can enable live chat on your YouTube. So right now I'm currently going live on YouTube, as you guys can see. And if I want to enable my live chats on YouTube, what I need to do is, now from over here where I'm going live, I need to click on where it says edit. Once I click on edit, it's going to show me this option. From over here, I need to click on where it says customize. And from customize, I need to scroll all the way to the top and make sure live chat is tick marked. Once this is tick marked, that basically means I've given permission for the live to, for people to have the option of chatting. So make sure this is tick marked. And over here, you can choose those people who can chat or type on the chat. If you choose anyone, then anyone can type on the chat. If you choose subscribers, then only your subscriber can type on your chat. And you can also set the time over here, which means after subscribing for more than 5 minutes only, they can start chatting. And if I click on live commentary, then only the people I have chosen can chat with me on my live. So I can make sure I can choose anyone, but you can choose whichever option you like. And after you choose the option you like, just click on save at the bottom right. Once you do that, your setting will be changed and your live chat option will now be available. That's how you guys can turn on your live chat on YouTube. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.